Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 20 ways to generate passive income. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort, typically through investments or rental income. If you're interested in generating additional income streams without having to work harder, then this video is for you. 1. Rental properties. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income is through rental properties. Owning a property and renting it out can provide a steady stream of income. 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay out a portion of the company's profits to its shareholders, providing a steady stream of income. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on the loans. 4. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are companies that own and manage real estate properties. Investing in REITs can provide a steady stream of income through dividends. 5. Royalties from intellectual property. If you have created any intellectual property such as books, music, or patents, you can earn royalties from their use. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. 7. Creating and selling online courses. Creating and selling online courses can provide a passive income stream once the course is created. 8. Investing in index funds. Investing in index funds allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, providing a steady stream of income. 9. Rental income from storage units. Owning and renting out storage units can provide a passive income stream with low maintenance costs. 10. Investing in high-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, providing a steady stream of income. 11. Rental income from parking spaces. If you own a parking lot or have an extra parking space, renting it out can provide a passive income stream. 12. Creating and selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, printables, or software can provide a passive income stream. 13. Investing in municipal bonds. Municipal bonds are issued by state and local governments and offer tax-free income to investors. 14. Investing in annuities. Annuities are insurance products that provide a guaranteed income stream for a set period of time. 15. Renting out equipment. If you own equipment such as cameras, tools, or machinery, renting them out can provide a passive income stream. 16. Investing in crowdfunding platforms. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in startups or businesses and earn a return on your investment. 17. Selling digital photos. If you enjoy photography, selling your photos online can provide a passive income stream. 18. Investing in rental properties through real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in rental properties with low minimum investments. 19. Peer-to-peer car sharing. Peer-to-peer car sharing platforms allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it, providing a passive income stream. 20. Selling ad space on your website or blog. If you have a website or blog with high traffic, selling ad space can provide a passive income stream. There you have it, 20 ways to generate passive income. While each method has its own pros and cons, they all offer the potential to earn money with little to no effort. Remember, building multiple streams of passive income can provide financial security and freedom in the long run. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.